Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, so keep that in mind and take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin here. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Virgo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, as always, an angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll get on with your reading and see what wants to show up for you. So my angels, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message card for my Virgo gang, please. Thank you. A message, guidance, or advice card. This one. All right. Let's keep this one here, Virgo. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Virgo, is move. All right. Some kind of movement in your life, Virgo. Are you thinking of making a move, or is there some activity going on around you? Let's put this beautiful card here and see what does this move card mean for you. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your beautiful comments, your likes, your shares, and also your generous donations to keep the channel up and running. I'm really obliged. I'm grateful and I'm very thankful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, this is going to be a small little love read, a love bite as I like to call it. Just to check on your energies and see what you need to know right now. But in case any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box and the about section of the channel. You can reach me from there. Bottom of the deck, I do have the Justice card, but it's in reverse. So you feel things are not going in the right direction, or there's no balance in your life maybe at the moment. We'll open these cards after. Let's take some dialogue messages. Let's see if you and your partner had to say something to each other right now, what that would be. So what would Virgo or their partner like to say to each other, Spirit, now, if they could? What would they like to say to each other? Virgo and their partner. One more. Oops, nothing else. All right, we'll take that. And let's try and take a couple more from the other deck then. Okay, one more, Spirit. All right, okay, and one more. Okay, we got 5. I think that's good enough. So the first card I have for you here, Virgo, says, I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all the areas of my life, because you are my world and I want everyone to know. So yes, somebody wants to make this public knowledge. They want to be accepted and want their partner to be accepted. So I wonder what the problem is here. Let's see the next card. I am an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you are not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more each time. I'm going to have to read that again. I am an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you are not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more each time. So somebody is looking for maybe some time, maybe this becoming a little overwhelming, where one partner says, I want you to be with me all the time and be with me when my friends are over, or do everything with me, and the other partner saying, hey, listen, I need some time of my own also. Why can't we just talk about it? Instead, every time I try and tell you I need a bit space, you get irritated and you start ignoring me or get upset with me. Next card. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and try to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. So maybe the person who wants their partner to be involved with their friends and family, their friends and family are the ones who are putting pressure and saying, hey, where's your person, and how come this person is never around when we are together, and questioning them. So they are under some peer pressure of being answerable to their friends and family. Let's see the next card. I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you have shown me in the mirror the repetition of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. So what the other partner is saying, yes, I know we are bonded for life, but it's not that I'm running from you. I'm running for myself because I need certain things to heal for myself. Last card. If only you knew that what I have been through to be at your side. Do you really know the sacrifices I have made? It hurts like hell when you push me away, when all I do is fight for you and fight for our love. So there is, I think, one person who's becoming a little obsessive and saying, I've done so much for you, you can't even do this much for me, you can't meet my friends and family, you can't spend more time with me. And the other one saying, hey, listen, I love you too, but I just need my own space. I mean, it's not that I don't appreciate you, but try and understand that I need my me time as well. So the cards I have for you here, Virgo, are the World, the Devil, and the Five of Wands. Magician, Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Two of Wands. So somebody wants to end some kind of a toxic cycle or a toxic chapter, or they feel they are sitting in some kind of toxicity, which maybe there are too many arguments, there are too many fights with the Five of Wands, and they want to just bring an end to all this. They don't like this everyday bickering, everyday anger, everyday sadness, and they just want to move away from all that and want to bring an end. Maybe this is a family situation, Virgo. Maybe you guys are married. Maybe this is a live-in, long-term potential kind of a situation. But if they are feeling that, if this toxicity doesn't end and this fighting doesn't end, I am slowly and steadily thinking that the love may start getting drained out of this relationship, because they feel somebody is being the magician in reverse. They're trying to control them. They are trying to trick them into certain situations, and that makes them really, really upset and angry. They are happy with them. They know that, they have a very firm foundation with their partner, but right now they're feeling emotionally overwhelmed. So Virgo, if this is you who's feeling emotionally overwhelmed by your partner, I don't know, but if it's this could be the person, your person, right? So if you can get any guidance, please. This person is on the verge of, they're kind of making some plans here, I'll be honest with you. There is a question of equal reciprocity, equal give and take, and one partner feels you're not investing enough into this relationship. They want their partner to show them more love, more affection. They want more and more and more. And they are feeling that why is my partner not investing as much? It shows me that, our relationship is getting weaker by the day, and that really upsets me and makes me angry here. So somebody is here at crossroads now, wondering what to do. I'll be honest. They feel that the balance of this relationship is kind of getting rocked a little bit, because maybe one person is more demanding and the other person is saying, listen, I love you, but just let me breathe a little bit. So what are they thinking here with the Two of Wands, Spirit? Why are they at crossroads now? Why are they at crossroads here? Somebody is at crossroads here because they are I think quite getting quite fed up here. They are feeling a bit of emotional loss. They feel their wishes are not coming true. They feel I can't live in this regret all the time and sadness all the time. Maybe it's time to make a decision. Somebody here, Virgo, this is a warning, okay? Somebody is planning to have some kind of a fresh new beginning. It hasn't happened yet, but if this kind of scenario carries on for too long, what's this new? Yes, this could jeopardize the stable foundation that you guys have between the two of you. Whatever decision this person is, right now they're at crossroads. They're still thinking, they're still planning, but if this continues for too long, if they continue to remain emotionally dissatisfied, I think some decision is going to be made either by the person who is feeling that they don't get enough, their partner doesn't invest enough in the relationship, doesn't make them proud maybe, or meet their friends and family, or could be by the person who is feeling a bit overwhelmed now that, listen, I can't do so much. I love you, I care for you, we are always going to be together, but I need a little bit of breathing space here. Okay, so some kind of movement is on the horizon here because things are kind of imbalanced. Somebody is planning to take some kind of action here. It hasn't happened here yet because there is a bit of fear of completely letting go as well. Okay, so if this message helps, please do the needful one way or the other, and because there is love here. Okay, so don't lose your love. That's all I have for you, Virgo. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.